Hi everybody, I am so excited today because I just got my Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer 360 and it is going to be the perfect oven to use for my strawberry pie. So let's preheat the oven. We turn the dial to bake. Comes up at 350 degrees. We're going to stir this just to coat these beautiful strawberries. And I'm going to pour these in. Now I'm going to take this pie crust, and I've already floured it. We're going to put that in, but halfway. Put some pats of butter here in throughout the pie crust and right next to the strawberries. And then we're going to put it in the oven. Put it on a low rack because it's going to be high. Close it up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Gorgeous. The crispiness of this crust. Oh, it's perfect. Melt in your mouth.